Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about formal versus informal English. Informal, I think, formal in my opinion. To sum up, in conclusion, in the end, finally, but, however, point out, indicate, stand for, represent, seem, appear, buy, purchase, give, provide, luckily, fortunate, cheap, inexpensive, clear, transparent, empty, vacant, crazy, insane, lack, deficiency, use, utilize, ask for, request, look into, investigate, idea, notion, need, require, put up, tolerate, keep, retain, whole, entire, and terminate, speed up, accelerate, take out, remove, break down, collapse, tired, exhausted, a lot of, numerous, go after, pursue, go ahead, proceed, blow up, explode, find, locate, show, demonstrate, tell, inform, worse, inferior, better, superior, want, desire, seem, appear, put off, postpone, set up, establish, ask, inquire, check, verify, maybe, perhaps, good, positive, childish, immature, free, release, buy, purchase, give, provide, ask, inquire, so, therefore, start, commence, check, verify, get by, survive, say, express. For starters, firstly, also, furthermore, and in addition to, in a nutshell, to summarize, anyway, nevertheless, in the end, eventually, so, therefore, ask, inquire, tell, inform, but, however, get, receive, bad, negative, seem, appear, also, moreover, buy, purchase, have to, must, and finish, lack, deficiency, live, reside, lively, energetic, hurt, damage, put in, insert, check, verify, sorry, apologize. Bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.